Nutella Gooey Butter Cake is super easy to make with a box of Devil's Food cake mix. Topped with whipped cream, it makes a fantastic potluck dessert. To make it, beat 1 box Devil's Food cake mix, 1 egg, 8 tablespoons of melted butter until mixed really well. Press into the bottom of a 9 by 13 inch pan. Then beat 1 cup of Nutella and 8 ounces of softened cream cheese until smooth. One at a time, beat in 3 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 8 tablespoons of melted butter. One at a time, beat in 3 eggs, then 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 8 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix in 1 16-ounce box of powdered sugar. Spread this mixture over the cake batter and bake at 350 for 40 to 50 minutes. Don't overbake, it should still be gooey in the middle. Let cool, cut into squares, and top with whipped cream for a truly rich chocolatey dessert. Full recipe at spicysouthern kitchen.com.